Hey there, how is everybody today? We are looking at the old Liberty Bell. It's a replica here at the Hill County Courthouse in downtown Hillsboro, Texas. Now, what is interesting about this bell is that it was the original one that was built with this courthouse in 1890, but it was damaged and destroyed by an electrical fire and replaced. But this is the original bell, and it looks exactly like the Liberty Bell, sort of a replica. So that bell has been here since 1893, folks. It is a very fascinating piece of Texas history. Standing at a monument here on display at the Hill County Courthouse in Hillsboro, Texas. This is an original 1890 Liberty Bell replica that was damaged in 1893 here at the Hill County Courthouse in Hillsboro, Texas. And we are in historic downtown, getting a view of this antique bell.